Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on collaborating with other users in Bold BI by commenting on dashboards. Bold BI lets you have discussions about the data in a dashboard when you find a change or want to mention another user, so they can keep track of the data. This will reduce your work and alerting every person via email for each discussion. Your comments and replies are in the dashboard itself. Let's see how to initiate discussions through the rich commenting system in Bold BI. Let me open a dashboard from the home page for this demo. Once the dashboard has been published, you can start commenting on the whole dashboard or any widget inside the dashboard. To comment on a dashboard, click the comment icon available in the top right corner of the Bold BI site. To comment on a widget, you can hover over it so that the comment icon is visible. Upon clicking, the commenting panel expands, and you can start your discussion by posting a comment in the given text box. Each comment is considered a new discussion. Let me comment on the grid widget available here about the quality of a drug. Make sure your comment does not exceed 4,000 characters. You can add a reply to the same discussion by clicking Reply. You can even mention the user or group by entering the @ symbol, followed by the username or group name. User mentions will only suggest the user and groups who have access to the dashboard. The user or group mentioned in the discussion will receive an email like this, with the comment details along with the dashboard link. To learn more about users and groups, we have a separate video called Managing Users, Groups, and Permissions in this video's description. You can even edit or delete the comment option available here. In addition to plain text messaging, you can also post formatted text messages using the Markdown syntax. You can apply bold or italic font styles, add a header, apply quotes to content, or even make the comment a generic list or numbered list using these options. Before posting the comment, you can preview it by clicking Toggle Preview option available here. Then, you can add links with the navigation text. Let me reference a video link in my comment, like this. You can add images with alt text from the browser, import an image from the local file, or just copy and paste an image file from the browser. Let me save this. Now you can see the image imported from local, browser, and a browser copied image displayed now. You can even copy and paste the screenshot here. For example, I have taken a screenshot of the stat column chart displayed here by highlighting a specific column for my discussion and pasted here. To go to the parent comment, just choose the Show Parent option here. We also support posting comments in HTML format. I have mentioned another dashboard link as an iframe tag here. You can get this code on the home page by clicking on the share icon of the dashboard. Click Get Embed Code and copy the code into the HTML. Here you can see the post after saving it. Bold BI dashboards notify the people involved in the dashboards when new comments are posted and notify users mentioned in the comments. Notifications are sent through emails, with the comment details, the user who posted the comment, and the URL to the dashboard that was commented on. Upon clicking the link in the email, it opens directly to the comment, so you can start the discussion here. The Bold BI application also lets you read pending notifications. To do this, go to the home page of the Bold BI site and select the notification icon on the bottom left corner. To alert you to unread notifications, it shows a red dot, as displayed here. Upon clicking the icon, a notification window will show a list of notifications. Whenever dashboards or widgets receive comments, Users will be notified in two different ways: system notifications and email notifications. An email setting is not necessary for collaboration. If email settings are not configured by the user or group, then email notifications will not be sent. Let's see how to set up notifications to notify users of comments on dashboards and widgets in Bold BI. Notifications can be configured by both the system administrator and users. To configure the admin notification settings, click Settings, available in the left navigation bar, and select the Notifications tab. Here, you can configure how users receive notifications for comments. Let's see each notification setting in detail. First, we will look at the system notification settings that appear at the bottom left navigation bar once the user has logged in to Bold BI, as shown here. Let's go to the mail notifications, where the users are notified by comments by email. Enabling auto-watch comments on created items will send notifications for comments on all items that the user has created. Enabling auto-watch comments on accessible items will send notifications for comments on all items to which the user has access. Default settings are applied to the users when added to Bold BI. Users can change these settings and set their own, or choose to inherit these settings anytime in their profile edit page. Allow or restrict settings is the master setting for Bold BI. Enabling or disabling the settings here will override the default and user settings. Let's see how to configure user notification settings. This is the notifications for comments the current user receives. To configure user notifications, you can go to the user profile page or choose Settings from the Notifications and click Edit under Notification Settings. Settings can be enabled, disabled, or inherited from global settings, which are the default settings of Bold BI for these four options. Apart from auto-watch on created and accessible items, users can also watch a specific item. Users can toggle between watching and not watching for a dashboard comment at any time. In this video, we took a quick look at how to enable easy collaboration with your colleagues to help make business decisions quickly. You have learned how to configure admin and user notification settings for the comments posted in dashboards or widgets. We also have documentation for collaborating in dashboards and using notification settings. You can find those links in this video's description. Leave a comment if you'd like any clarification, or if there are any additional features you'd like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.